Hello guys, most of user face Wi-Fi turning on off blinking problem and also do not turning off issue, so I'm gonna show you possible ways to fix it. First check Wi-Fi button and make it turn off airplane mode if it didn't work. Secondly, go to the control panel, then click on network and internet setting, then click on network and sharing setting and change adapter setting and disable and enable Wi-Fi. Now check it would be done. If not, then come to the third one, right click on this PC and go to manage, then go to device manager and see the network adapter and expand it and uninstall it, network adapter, and back for the scan hardware changes. It will search again and install the network adapter and then check your Wi-Fi again. Number 4, again control panel, system and security, then system, then click on advanced system setting, go to the hardware and click on device installation setting and check it as no and save the changes. This process especially for blinking airplane mode, so check it would be done. If still you face that issue, then fifth is unplug your charger cable. If it show you airplane mode off and on, it would be definitely hardware issue. Then check it out to the repairing shop. For more graphic and tech videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the further updates.